Close your eyes. Imagine you're standing in the middle of Times Square. Lights everywhere, 1,000 choices. You think you're free because you can choose what to eat, what to watch, and when to sleep. But are you? If you can't stop scrolling your phone when you know you should be working, are you free? If you can't say no to that extra slice of pizza that's killing your health, are you free? Most people think freedom is the absence of rules. They think it's doing whatever they feel like doing. But that's not freedom. That's being a slave to your impulses. Charon here. Today we're talking about the greatest paradox of human life. Discipline equals freedom. Let's talk about Jake. Jake is a talented graphic designer in Seattle. He's free. He wakes up whenever he wants. He works only when inspiration strikes. He spends his nights gaming and his mornings in a fog of caffeine. On the surface, Jake has the life everyone wants. No boss breathing down his neck, no 5 a.m. alarms. But look closer. Jake is drowning. He's behind on his rent, his body feels heavy, his mind is cluttered, and he's constantly anxious. Why? Because Jake is a slave. He's a slave to his laziness, a slave to the dopamine hits from his screen. He has all the choice in the world, but he has no power. Now, imagine another version of Jake. A Jake who wakes up at 5 a.m., not because he wants to, but because he decided to. He hits the gym, he eats the steak, he clears his task list by noon. By 6 p.m., that Jake is truly free. He has the money in the bank, the health in his body, and the peace in his mind to actually enjoy his life. The first Jake is a prisoner of his own whims. The second Jake is the master of his soul. Why do 99% of people fail to achieve this? Because discipline is painful. In America, we're sold the lie of instant comfort. Buy this, eat that, click here, feel good now. Discipline tells you, suffer now, feel good later. Most people fail because they negotiate with their feelings. When the alarm goes off, they have a conversation with themselves. I'm tired. I worked hard yesterday. 5 more minutes. The moment you negotiate with your weakness, you've already lost. Discipline is not a feeling. It's a system. It's a cold, hard contract you sign with yourself. Most people fail because they wait for motivation. Motivation is a feeling. It comes and goes like the wind. Discipline is the rock that stays when the storm hits. If you only work when you're motivated, you'll never reach the top 1%. Freedom is not found on a beach with a cocktail. True freedom is found in the weight room at 6 a.m. It's found in the late hours of studying when your eyes are burning. It's found in the no you say to the things that distract you. When you have discipline over your body, you have the freedom of health. When you have discipline over your finances, you have the freedom of time. When you have discipline over your mind, you have the freedom from anxiety. So, here is my challenge to you. Stop being a slave. Stop negotiating with your excuses. Build the wall of discipline around your life, and inside that wall, you will find a freedom you never knew existed. It's time to choose. Will you be the slave, or will you be the master? The clock is ticking. Get to work.